Let's take a look at how you get around Workflowy, how you navigate around it. Workflowy is one page, one big list, and you can add to it at any level. As you can see, and you can drag these bullets around, you can indent them like so, and you can expand and collapse so that you can show and hide content. So it's one big list. You can drag, you can click to zoom in and to get focus, and then within this you can then work as you go. There are a couple of important other bits for getting around, for navigating. You've got the breadcrumbs up here, which enable you to click on it and you can go backwards and forwards. And then you've got a sidebar, which has a fully working version of all of your nodes collapsed here, which again you can navigate around by clicking on. So you've got at all times several different ways of navigating around Workflowy. And then one of the most powerful features about Workflowy is that it's fully keyboard driven. So you can move things around just using your keyboard, expanding and collapsing, zooming out, zooming in, all just using your keyboard. So that's very quickly how you navigate around Workflowy.